The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 14. What John the Baptist preach. A 15-year now, Tiberius did a head ruler in a Rome. Him did a Pontius Pilate around Judea, Herod Antipas around Galilee, him brother Philip around Iturea and Trachonitis, and Lysania did around Abilene. Annas and Caiaphas are the leader for the priest them. In at the same time there, John, Zachariah boy picnic, the day in the desert and get one message from God. Him go all around Jordan and preach to the people them for turn away from their sin and get baptized. And God will pardon them for all the wrong way them do. Him Isaiah the prophet did a write about when him say, somebody are shouting at the desert, clear the way for the Lord come through. Make the track where him fi walk pan, straight. Every gully I go raise up, and every mountain and hill I go mash down. Every road with twist and turn I go straighten out, and every track I go smooth out. And everybody I go see, oh God, save people. One heap of people they come for John baptize them. Him say to them, say, uno sin yet picking uno, who want uno to run away from the judgment where I come. Do the sitting them we sure say uno really top sin. And nobody start think to uno self say uno safe and say, Abraham our father. Let me tell you something. God can make picnic for Abraham out of them rock stone here if him want. Right now the axe they are the tree roots, and every one of the tree them when now bear good fruit I go chop down and burn up in a fire. The crowd asked John, so what we do then? Him said to them, say, if you have 2 shots, you fi give somebody 1. And if you have food, you fi do the same thing. Tax collector come fi get baptized too. Teacher, they ask John, what we fi do? John tell them, no collect no more than what you fi collect. Then some soldier ask John, so what about we? What we fi do? John answer, no bad up people and take with them money or tell lie on them fi get it neither. Uno fi satisfy with the pay we you no get. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God